Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the TREKURE TK50, right? This is the jump starter. I'm going to unbox. The company sent it to me to take a look and review, share honest opinion how this product is. So if you're running like a large SUVs like me or the motorcycles, anything like this is the, I think, product to take a look, right? Let's unbox and take a look. All right, this is the product itself. As you can see, it comes with the already charger. The charger indicating super simple to use, and we have right here the flashlight. It's a nice and super bright flashlight, and it's not the focus, so it's going to be bright, so working under situations. And as you can see, SOS, multiple different options. With the flashlight on the back, you have a weatherproof covering, and as you can see, you have a USB-C charging, and that you can also in and out, and 2 USB out, and this is actually jump starter output. So let's see the gadgets. It comes with a nice carrying case, that's great, and instruction manual, how to use it, all the details. But we worry about the quality of the products. Of course, they come with the USB-C charger. All right, now alligator clips and all the stuff. As you can see, we're gonna stick this part right here. It goes only the one way. As you can see, that's good. Square part, so the square side, and for some reason this part is charging. As you can see, it shows blinking right now. The capacitor inside is charging. As soon as it's going to be solid, so we're going to be able to use it, but we'll have to turn on the charger. Right now it's going to be charged, the capacitor. As soon as charged, it's going to be ready to go. So now alligator clips, as you can see, very nice, good fit. The wires, I think this is a 10 gauge wires, and the wires, the brass, it's, as you can see, it's connected to the both sides. That's huge plus, and the strong spring, so it's going to be actually hold very good. If you have a large vehicle, V8, any V8s up to V12, I think these guys are going to be able to start the vehicle with the big large capacity of the power. Also, you can use like a power bank and a flashlight. That's a huge plus, right? What is this? Oh, this one comes up here. Now I can run around like that. So yeah, great product from the company. You can multiple, and never in my life I never out of battery running or starting even the V8 the vehicles like this. Even the batteries died. I'm doing like multiple product review right now, and reason why I have this always, like it's going to be very good to back up, right? The size wise, most likely I'm gonna dump in my the motorcycle bag. As you can see, it's only this part, that's it. This is super tiny, and actually it's going to give me a lot of boost when I need it. So it's going to be peace of mind, right? I'm going to stay outside. I'm not going to leave outside myself, right? I can just jump start anything, and if somebody needs a jump start, I have in the trunk or in the carrying case on my motorcycle. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out also in the next video.